Here's a 2013 Lexus LS460. Style and comfort, performance and control, indulgence. In this Lexus, you get it all. It comes with all the amenities you need. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V8 engine. Automobile declares, look up ride comfort and suspension compliance in your automotive dictionary, and there will be a picture of the Lexus LS460. Luxury awaits in every Lexus. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.